So this is Euro dollar analysis for Friday the 15th of December. Now let's have a look what the prices and where they might possibly go. So on the 14th we had the interest rate decisions from the US Fed. We've had a pullback down towards that 1830 and we came pretty close to that 1810 level that we were looking at before, looking for potential continuation. So we came down pretty much to 1810. We were looking at 1862 and beyond, which we're looking at 1910. Now we did turn around. Well, we did have a move up to 1862. We were expecting a fundamental catalyst in terms of the ECB and their rate decision and policy statement. So we've actually had a test, a pretty perfect test there at 1862. Let's just see how high we actually went. Yep, so we went all the way up to 1862. Wow. 1862.6, and the level I've got marked out on the chart is 1862.6. So, well, that's somewhat fortunate. I can't imagine. Yeah, somewhat fortunate there, to the exact pipette. But what we did see was selling momentum come into the market. We did break below this 1830. We didn't see a reaction around 1810. So we're looking at 1771. And again, we came down to 1771. And let's just have a look there. I think it's a similar story anyway. So we went all the way down to a low of 1772. So sorry, I made it wrong. There we are. 1778. So it's essentially 1771 really. So we came all the way down to 1771. So from 1862 we came all the way down to 1771. We saw this brief momentum buy side reaction all the way up to 200 period moving average. We did see, however, some selling momentum coming to the market. We didn't retrace all the way up to the 1810, possibly 1830. What we did see some selling momentum coming to the market. We've come down briefly below the 1771. And again, we have seen buy side momentum coming to the market. So if we can hold where we are at present, we'll see our price react to this 200 period moving average. If we do have a successful navigate 200 period moving average, we're looking to target 1810, beyond which we're looking at 1830. And again, above that, we're looking at 1862. We have to be aware of the 400 period moving average here at 1830, forever adding to a confluence for possible sell side momentum, taking us down to 1771, possibly break down to 1728. Now, if we do have a negative reaction to 200 period moving average, we could potentially trade through the 1771, after which we're looking to see our prices react in around 1728. We have seen buy side momentum coming off the 1728 previously, so we're looking to the 1728 for potential buy side momentum to re-enter the market. Below 1728, if we do have further momentum to the downside, we're looking all the way down at 1710. Got 1709 marked out here in the charts. But 1710, we're looking for potential buy side momentum. A breakdown from which we'll be looking to see how prices react in around that 1670, 1680. In and around that zone, we'll see how prices react. If we do break down from there, however, to the downside, we are looking at 1612. 1612, far end of the range we could possibly see if we have quite a bit of volatility in euro dollar. And to the upside, if we do break above 1862, we are looking at 1910. And now with that said, we've mentioned all the levels that we are looking at. That should wrap up the euro dollar analysis. So, thanks for watching.